wish and I wish and I wish.
What's going on, YouTube? It's been a while. I know it's been a while. I haven't made a video in probably about a week. But we got good things coming, like I told y'all. I've been busy at work. Busy work schedule. And I actually got my daughter sitting here with her daughter. This is Kalia and this is Camden. Y'all met Camden before.
Yeah, y'all met me too.
Yeah, you met Kalia too, actually. So, just show you what this video is about while they're joining in, okay? Y'all know I done a custom on my Jordan 1s and made them the pink ones. So I had to go back and get these things. Got two unboxings, which this is one. I had to go back and get these. You don't like these, do you?
At all.
But these are fire. Y'all let them know, YouTube. These are fire. The Yin Yang 1 whites. And they might get customized again, but you know, hey. I had to get them back in the collection, man. It's just how it is. I felt like I lost the shoe. So I got it back. These are fire. So that's one unboxing. Get the second one. Second unboxing out the way. You probably don't like these either.
What are
The Jordan 1s. That box.
I know.
Nike! Jordan 1 box. The best box ever. Had to go back and get them. Told you I had to go back and get some stuff. I missed out on these. Actually, yeah, I missed out on these.
They're horrific.
But these are fire. You don't like these?
It just look like they missing something. You know, like the other.
But that's what Jordan 1s do, though. Jordan 1s bring you a blank, random, clean look.
But it
And then you can dress it up or down.
But it don't look clean. It looks like
It don't look clean. It's white.
It's just dingy. Like it looks like
Dingy. Y'all see these?
you see the other.
Fire!
No, you see the other Jordan 1s, like they got something on the back
Red
or something.
Nike on the tongue. She talking crazy, y'all. Red Nike on the tongue. And look at the metallic. It's metallic red.
Look
see
how
how it
Cam
shines?
looking at 'em.
Cam, you like them? Touch them if you like them.
You know?
You don't like them. But I'm Papa like it. That's all that matters. I like these things. These are fire, man. Dress them up right. Got a nice shoe. Y'all know I love Jordan 1, so I had to go back and get these things. Now, I had to show y'all those two unboxings. Now, speaking of Jordan 1, you got some fire Jordan 1s coming out that just released. Jordan brand is always sneaky. So, they're dropping the Kawhi Leonard. Kawhi Leonard, how you say his name? Leonard. K. Leonard, damn it. K. Leonard. They're dropping the ones April 28th. You ain't seen them. But they're silver and black. Yes, I know I got silver black ones. I got y'all know I got the shadows.
And then you got the other ones that cost.
I got the shadows here. Don't tell them what it costs.
I didn't. I didn't.
Got the shadows and I got the Alele Maze. I know. But those Kawhi Leonards, they fire. And they chrome. They're like wherever you see this gray at, it's like chrome. And then where you see this black at, it's like white. And then it's white on the toe box.
I might like them.
Then it has black going around it. And then the bottom is clear. And it has a big old hand on it because he's known for his defense. And it has the NBA championship logo hanging off the sides of it.
Are you getting them?
If y'all follow me on Instagram, y'all seen where I said I had these two, so I don't need it. But you know I love ones.
You probably will get them.
She said it. I didn't say it. If I get them, I'm sorry, y'all. I'm sorry. If I get them, you know, I'm trying not to. I'm trying to stay calm because I got these two. And, you know, it's kind of the same colorway, but boy, these different. They bring different things to you, don't they?
Yeah.
See?
Those look ashy.
These are OG.
They look ashy.
The leather on these things. Put leather on it. Feel like a baby bottom. Right?
No, I feel like my baby's bottom.
Like Cam's bottom. Cam's and these things are fire. Y'all know what these things are. So I might have to cop them. I don't know. Time will tell. I seen on Flight Academy Kick, shout out to him. I talked to him last night, and I seen where he's got them for $375 pre-order, so I might pick it up.
You don't even buy me shoes for $100.
I don't want to hear that. She had a chance to get some shoes, y'all, and she said, nah, forget them shoes. I don't want the shoes. We ain't gonna go into that. Anyways.
You should have still.
I want to make an announcement. I took an L on the Jordan 18 suedes. I took an L. It hurt. Yeah. It was all red suede ones. I was showing you a little. You and your mama?
No.
You don't remember? You know, Mike Bibby rocked those things, and I was a Bibby fan when he was with the Kings. He rocked the black and red ones. Jordan rocked them 18s.
You scared my child.
I'm sorry, Cam. Jordan rocked them 18s with the Wizards, man, so I had to grab them things. Me and Rob went ahead and grabbed them. And your mom don't know.
The 18?
Yeah, she don't like them. They'll be here Thursday. I made it where she went out. My wife's gone on the trip, so I went ahead and ordered them things. Excuse you. Anyway, excuse you. Anyways, I got them coming. That's my big announcement. I took an L, but now I got a W. I bounced back tough with them.
You gotta stop scaring my child.
So we'll have a review coming. We'll have a review coming. So say bye to the people.
Bye, people.
Look into the light. Look into the light, Kim. Say bye, YouTube.
They wish and I wish and I wish.